Welcome to Flux Reach, your go-to destination for professional insights into the digital tools that power successful enterprises within the United Kingdom. Today, we are diving deep into a comprehensive review and onboarding guide for essential software categories that help local companies thrive in a competitive market. Choosing the right software is not just about features, but about ensuring that the tools you select are specifically tailored to meet the unique regulatory and operational requirements of a United Kingdom business. We will be exploring the best choices for customer relationship management, cloud-based accounting, and project management to ensure your operations are as efficient as possible. When we look at customer relationship management software for the United Kingdom market, one of the most significant contenders is Zoho CRM due to its incredible flexibility and local support. For a business based in London or Manchester, having a system that can handle localized data privacy rules under the United Kingdom General Data Protection Regulation is absolutely essential for long-term compliance. During our review, we found that Zoho offers a highly intuitive interface that allows sales teams to track leads from the initial inquiry all the way through to a successful conversion. The onboarding process is relatively straightforward, as the platform provides a guided setup wizard that helps you import your existing contact lists without requiring advanced technical knowledge. Another excellent option for managing your client interactions is HubSpot CRM, which is particularly famous for its user-friendly approach and powerful free version. Many United Kingdom startups prefer this tool because it integrates seamlessly with popular communication platforms like Microsoft Outlook and Gmail, which are staples in the British corporate environment. The onboarding experience with HubSpot is designed to be very visual, offering a clear timeline of every interaction your team has had with a prospective customer. We highly recommend this for companies that prioritize marketing automation and want a clear overview of their sales pipeline without a steep learning curve during the initial implementation phase. Transitioning into the world of finance, selecting the right accounting software is perhaps the most critical decision for any United Kingdom business owner. QuickBooks Online remains a top recommendation because it is fully recognized by His Majesty's Revenue and Customs for the Making Tax Digital initiative. This means that you can submit your value-added tax returns directly through the software, which significantly reduces the risk of manual entry errors and ensures you stay compliant with national tax laws. The setup process involves connecting your United Kingdom business bank account, which allows the software to automatically categorize transactions and provide real-time updates on your company's cash flow. Xero is another powerhouse in the accounting sector that has gained a massive following among United Kingdom accountants and small business owners alike. What makes Xero stand out is its robust ecosystem of over 1,000 third-party applications that can be linked to your main financial dashboard for increased functionality. For example, you can connect payroll modules that are specifically configured for United Kingdom tax codes and national insurance contributions, making monthly employee payments a much simpler task. During the onboarding phase, Xero provides helpful checklists to ensure that your opening balances and historical financial data are accurately recorded before you begin live operations. For those who are self-employed or running a small limited company, Free Agent is a fantastic choice that is often provided for free by many major United Kingdom banks. It offers a unique feature called the Tax Timeline, which gives you a clear visual representation of upcoming deadlines for corporation tax, value-added tax, and self-assessment. This level of transparency is incredibly helpful for busy entrepreneurs who need to manage their time effectively while staying on top of their financial obligations. The onboarding process is very streamlined, focusing on the most essential tasks first so that you can start invoicing your clients and tracking expenses within just a few minutes. Moving on to project management, Monday.com has become a favorite for United Kingdom teams that require high levels of visual collaboration and transparency. The platform allows you to create custom boards that reflect your specific business processes, whether you are managing a construction project in Birmingham or a marketing campaign in Edinburgh. One of the best parts of the onboarding journey is the library of pre-built templates that are designed for various industries, which saves you the time of building a workspace from scratch. Its ability to automate repetitive tasks, such as sending notifications when a deadline is approaching, helps keep your team focused on high-value activities. If your United Kingdom business requires a more traditional approach to task management, Asana provides a very structured environment that is excellent for complex workflows. It excels at breaking down large projects into manageable subtasks and assigning them to specific team members with clear due dates and priority levels. We noticed during our review that Asana's reporting tools are particularly strong, allowing managers to see potential bottlenecks before they impact the project's overall timeline. Onboarding a new team onto Asana is made easier by its comprehensive help center and the ability to set up different levels of permissions for various departments or external contractors. For companies that are already heavily invested in the Microsoft ecosystem, Microsoft Planner and Microsoft Project are natural choices that integrate perfectly with Teams and SharePoint. This is a very common scenario for many United Kingdom corporate entities that prioritize data security and want to keep all their professional information within a single, managed environment. The setup process is often handled by your existing IT administrator, ensuring that all project data remains within your organization's secure cloud storage. While the interface might feel more formal than some modern alternatives, the depth of features available for resource planning and budget tracking is virtually unmatched for large-scale operations. When you are onboarding any new software for your United Kingdom company, it is vital to start with a clear plan for data migration and employee training. We suggest beginning with a small pilot group to test the new system and identify any potential issues before rolling it out to the entire organization. This approach allows you to create internal documentation and frequently asked questions that are specific to how your company operates, which makes the transition much smoother for everyone involved. Ensuring that your staff understands the benefits of the new tool will increase adoption rates and help you realize a faster return on your initial investment. Security is another major consideration, and you should always verify that the software providers you choose have data centers located within the United Kingdom or the European Economic Area. This is a key part of maintaining compliance with the United Kingdom General Data Protection Regulation and ensures that your sensitive business data is protected by high legal standards. Most reputable software companies provide detailed security white papers and compliance certificates on their websites, which you should review as part of your initial research. Taking the time to perform this due diligence at the beginning will prevent significant legal and operational headaches in the future. Customization is a recurring theme in our reviews because no two businesses in the United Kingdom are exactly the same. The best software platforms allow you to add custom fields, change the layout of your dashboards, and create automated workflows that mirror your unique way of working. For example, a United Kingdom-based recruitment agency will have very different requirements for their customer relationship management system compared to a local manufacturing firm. Onboarding should therefore involve a phase where you tailor the settings of the software to fit your specific industry terminology and the key performance indicators that matter most to your leadership team.